Hello and welcome to Flats, Tips, and Tricks. These are the books used to make this presentation. The following are a series of tips and tricks on how to draw flats. Do not view the garment at an angle, such as on a table. This will distort your perspective of the drawing. Do not hang it, as gravity will distort the garment and your drawing. The best method is to lay the garment on the floor and draw from standing on a chair. This also allows you to capture details such as the back of a sleeve. Don't imagine or make up details. Don't draw flaws or mistakes that the garment may have. Avoid making your drawing prettier. Flats have to be accurate. So do not get carried away with artistic interpretation and draw only what is necessary. For example, tops of pants are usually curved unless it is a stretched material. Tops of skirts are drawn straight across, except if it's low-waisted. The back of the neck of shirts are always curved. Pay attention to this one because a lot of students have issues with the back of the necks of shirts. Only draw curves if that is how it is intended to be. Again here, notice the collar is connected to the shoulder seam and that the back of the collar curves inward, so it slopes downward and not upward. Only draw a curved hem if that's how it's intended to be. Notice the hems on these pants. Scale needs to be consistent, so always use the same figure template. Do not rescale only one drawing. Fly fronts are drawn with and without a zipper pull here. And side zippers need to be indicated, but you don't have to draw the teeth. Sometimes tiny details may need magnification. If you want to show the back of a sleeve, fold the sleeve on the flat. Here's a sample of different interpretations of the same garment. Now keep in mind, when drawing, keep your proportions consistent. Focus on styling details and make certain that the construction is coming across in your drawing. This is the front view and back view of a skirt. Take note of the callouts and how items are drawn. Here is the front view and the back view of a pair of pants. Again, pay attention to the callouts and how it's drawn. Here's the front of a basic shirt. Notice the collar curves again downward and pay attention to the stitching. Here's the back of the shirt again. Pay attention to the callouts and where the stitching is. And finally, here's the jacket again. Note the collar, the callouts, and the stitching in details, and the back of the jacket. Thank you for watching. Email me with any questions you may have on flats. Study the notes you've taken for this video and the quiz. See you in the labs. Bye!